getting nauseous and vomiting, but I float and I feel that I dissociate from my body, like I feel like I'm outside of my body. So driving in the car, if I go over to the box, it takes all my control to just figure out, do I turn right or left? Like my cognitive ability starts to impair.
Yep.
For me, this is life changing. Like after this, I went and took my 4 grandkids out shopping, but they all needed shoes, and that was a nightmare because they're all 7 and under. And so I was bending down, getting shoes on, bending down, getting shoes on, because I was more focused on their needs and trying to keep the boxes. So for me, that's not normal because my grandkids are here and usually I'm in Arizona and I don't do that type of activity, or I haven't been able to since I got sick. And I wasn't sick last night. Nice. I didn't even think about it. I was tired because I hadn't had the physical activity. And then this morning, I had about an hour drive to get down here, and I had a lot of lane changes going about 80 miles an hour, which usually I go way slower because my cognitive isn't great. Mm-hmm. And I just know that, like, it's weird how you just know that you're going slower because people are passing you and you're like, why am I going slower? It just feels better. This morning I went and it was fantastic, and I felt like my cognitive was sharper.
And this is critical. I thank you for bringing that up, because when patients understand, what are we doing? Like, why are we using these? What does that do? And what does it mean? Because you're right, it's changing your life. It's already a lot better, but I don't want you to stop because you're better now. We want it to stay better and get even better than that, because the quality of your life is dependent on it. So in order for you to have good balance and to really know where you are in space and where things are around you, we need to have 3 key systems, foundational systems in the brain that need to be in sync near perfectly. These systems are the visual system, they're the vestibular system, and they're the somatosensory system. This is the foundation that we are built on. This is what's more critical. If we don't sync these together properly from the start, anything else we'll do will not be as effective, and it will affect your balance, your autonomic system, your stability, your mind, your movements, and your posture.